So, welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing today on this beautiful day? Today what we're doing today, guys, we're gonna show you how we plant eggplant. Someone gave me some eggplant and I'm definitely going and try them. I don't know what type of eggplant they are, but I'm preparing these holes to plant these eggplants. I want to make sure that I plant them pretty deep because eggplant could get pretty tall and you want their root to be grounded in the soil, because sometimes the eggplant might produce a lot, and because it produces a lot, sometimes the weight pull on the plant. So you want to plant them, my recommendation is 10 to 12 inches deep. 10 to 12 inches deep, because you want their root to be grounded. At least if you plant them 10 to 12 inches deep, they will stand up. The only thing gonna happen, the limb might fall down and then you got to brace it up, but at least the plant itself is standing firm. So what we do, we dig them real deep. We already prepared this soil in the spring, in the fall. Sorry for that. So now what we're doing now, we're opening up the holes then for planting. So we're gonna show you in a minute how we plant our eggplant. So we don't want to make the video too long. Alright, so let's start from over here. Okay. Watch how you step. Come over here. Alright. Yes guys, so we're starting from over here. And we just chucking them down in the hole and pull the soil around them, just like that. We take a next one, put it down in the hole, and we cover it. We take a next one, put it down in the hole, and we cover it. We take a next one, put it down in the hole, and we cover it. We take a next one, put it down in the hole. We take a next one, put it down in the hole, take a next one, put it down in the hole, next one, put it down in the hole, next one, put it down in the hole. So just like this guys, just like this, we have planted some eggplant. So the only thing we're gonna do now, we're gonna water them. We have pepper we also gonna be planting. We have a lot to plant, and guess what? This is the evening, and in the evening is one of the best time to plant. All in the morning or in the evening. So over there, we're gonna be planting some pepper over there because pepper loves sunlight. The next thing you wanna make sure you look where the sun's shining the most. That's where you plant the plant that loves the sun. Alright, so we have a few more holes. So I have some eggplant that I sow. I start from seed, but I was just waiting for the weather, which is right now. But I was gifted with some eggplant today. So I say, no, let me just come and right. So we have two more. Let's just put them in the hole and cover them. in the hole and cover them. So just like that, guys, we have planted some eggplant. So we want to thank you guys. We want to encourage you guys. We want to make sure, guys, this is the season. Get busy. Time is getting hard. It's not getting easier. If you have the opportunity that you can grow something, maybe you should just try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace.